How to make payment for services in website WordPress. To accept payments for services on your WordPress website, you don't need a full e-commerce setup. You just need the right plugins and payment gateway. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your preferred device and then go ahead and sign into your account. And then choose a payment gateway. Start by selecting a payment processor. Stripe is great for credit or debit cards, PayPal is popular and easy to use, and Instamojo is ideal for Indian users, and Razorpay is another strong option for local payments. Now install a payment plugin. So head over into the plugins tab, and then once you're in here, go ahead and install a payment plugin. You'll need a plugin to connect your gateway to WordPress. W Simple Pay is best for Stripe. So as you can see, this is a Stripe payment form by WP Simple Pay. It accepts credit and debit card payments for subscriptions with Stripe. Another would be WP Forms or Formidable Forms. So this will allow you to set up payment for custom payment forms. So this is the WP Forms. Third would be SureCart. So this is a plugin for service-based checkout. So let's search for it on the plugins marketplace, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. So create a service payment form. So design a form where users can select a service and pay. Add fields like name, email, service type, and price. Connect the form to your payment gateway and embed the form on your service page. Add a payment form to your website to embed the form on your service page, landing page, or contact page, and then use Elementor or Gutenberg blocks to style it. Add trust signals like testimonials and secure payment icons. Use SSL for secure transactions and send confirmation emails after payment.